Today I'm going to be installing the Kwikset Powerbolt 250. This is an electronic keypad lock. This is a deadbolt, and I have a blank Schlag door lever that I will be installing. It is brushed nickel as well. So the latch is going to be installed right here, but in this door you can see that I'm having to carve the indention into it just a little bit. That way it doesn't protrude out and hit my strike plate. So I'm taking a few minutes here to carve out an indention here so that when my latch is installed, it's more flush like that than sticking out like that. So when you're looking at your two knobs, you'll see that one has two holes in it, the other one does not. The one with the holes is going to be on the interior. You do not want to have it on the exterior, otherwise someone could just take apart your doorknob and access your property. So you have the square receiver, feed it through. First step, I screwed in the latch. Next, I got the outer knob, fed it through the latch system, and then I screwed the inner knob on. Next, I then saw where the latch is striking against the strike plate, which is right at this mark. And I noticed that I needed to reshape this hole so that it would fit properly. So I'm cutting that through right now. I just takes a couple minutes with my knife, so I'm doing that right now. My latch now goes into the latch hole. So I'm gonna put the latch plate on now. Okay, got one of my screws on my strike plate. I need to get a longer screw going right here. It's a good idea to use like 3-inch screws anyways on those. So I just tested that it latches correctly now. So just what I want. Okay, looks like the box comes with the back plate, the front plate with the code, deadbolt, security plate, and a bunch of screws. I had to go get some 4 AA batteries, so make sure you get that before. So now I'm just gonna start piecing it together and get it installed. I did the same step of extending this deadbolt hole, because I know it's gonna misalign equivalently to how much this strike plate had to be readjusted. Deadbolt has been installed. It's just 2 simple screws. Lifting this cover is easy. You're going to pinch with your 2 fingers on the bottom corners here and then slide up. This is going to expose where your batteries go. 4 AA batteries. Oops, I made a simple mistake. You can see that the deadbolt is installed upside down. Be aware of that. I'm going to pull these out and then flip it and put it back in. Next step, I'm going to get the front plate and I'm going to slide it in. You'll notice that there is a flat metal rod that extends from behind it. That's going to go straight through this little flat section. Zoom out, so it should look like that. And then you have a wire that's going to come through as well. So this is what it looks like from the inside. You have a mounting plate. You're going to want to make sure that the word top is at the top. You're going to feed this electronic wire through the hole and put this rod through the middle. Wire is going to be seated down here, and put that in place. And then you have these 2 longer bolts. Those are going to go through and connect into, you can see the hole. It's going to go straight and connect into the front plate. Be careful not to over tighten. Okay, so now I have my mounting plate on, I have my deadbolt rod right here, and then I have this electronic wire sticking through the bottom. Once you have this, you're ready for the next step. Next is the key check. Also in this step, you identify whether this front plate is straight or not. Go ahead and loosen these back screws just slightly. And readjust and make this to however you desire. Next step, I got the deadbolt strike plate on. Took a little bit of finessing, but I got it so that you effortlessly close it, and the deadbolt should extend all the way. So it's going to be doing that automatically every 30 seconds. So you don't want there to be, if you actually want your tenants to use this, it needs to be as easy as possible. So again, close it as easy as possible, and then the deadbolt goes. Perfect. Okay, I connected the electronic cable in, have it horizontal, and then you're gonna connect it together. Next, you're going to connect these two screws to the mounting plate. Okay, next we need to add a code. You're gonna press the programming button right here. It'll blink at you, and then you're gonna press 1, and then Kwikset, and then you're gonna press your code. In this case, I'll do 6767, and then Kwikset again. Notice that the deadbolt will come out and then go back in. That means the code is set. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna hit Kwikset to engage the deadbolt. Notice it's locked. Now I'm gonna open it. And it opens correctly. So do this with whatever code you want. I'm gonna delete 6767 and put in my actual code. Okay, and here's one more feature that I wanted to show. I already configured it and it was kind of finicky, so I don't want to have to do it again. But having the auto lock feature is one of the key reasons why I bought this. So you're gonna press that programming button in the back, and then press 9, and then press the Kwikset logo button. That's going to turn on auto locking. Then you're gonna define how the time frequency that you want the auto locking to occur. So you press the programming button again, press 8, the Kwikset logo, and then I chose 1 for 30 seconds, and then Kwikset logo again. So I just tested it out and it locked automatically. So I just tested it out and it locked automatically, exactly what I want. So I have my predefined code. I only have one code in there for my contractors, and then it automatically locks every 30 seconds. And I tested all of the configurations, so it's perfect. It's exactly what I need. If you run into any issues and you have to reset it, which I ran into twice, you're just gonna hold that programming button on the back for 15 seconds straight. After 15 seconds, it's gonna give a long beep, and then you push the programming button one more time. It's then completely reset, and then you start fresh again. So I did that. I have my physical keys I'm gonna go put in the office, and probably make copies and put them in different places because keys like to walk off sometimes. I hope that video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.